Old Scarface is given the choice between one with dry food and one with tinned food on top of the dry food, and he chooses the dry food. Old Scarface, he's a feral cat, but likes to chirp when he sees either Mary or myself. He goes chirp, and in greeting. And I think, given a different start, he could have been a really good house cat, really friendly cat. Nice coat, good body configuration, and he's loyal to us here at the feral cat feeding place in the morning. He comes every morning. This is sort of the highlight of my day these days, feeding the cats. I brought my cat down, and he's out doing cat things, outside cat things. And there's a part of Felix that would like to be a feral cat, I think. Every day I bring him down, I gotta catch him up and take him back up. This is Scarface cat. Other people may call him other things, but he's always been Scarface to me. He likes the dry food. Well, now he's going for the tin food. He eats as much as other cat when other cat's here. When other cat's not here today. Wasn't here yesterday. Not sure what's up. Alright. Scarface and I both say God bless. Have a good day.